Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Woo! Did you have an attack?
I don't know.
Oh!
This week I went solo to the Blue Ridge Rock Festival to find what the hype was all about.
Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
It's day 3 of Blue Ridge, and there's rain in the forecast, but that's not going to stop the fans from getting their fix of food trucks and heavy metal. Oh my God. Today was ridiculous. Day 3. Blue Ridge Rock Festival, Alton, Virginia. It poured, but we braved the storm, saw some really cool bands, and finishing up with pizza. Grabbed this last minute from a pizza place up the road and walked down the street. Felt just like SpongeBob. Let's see how it is. Whole lot of flop on that, but look at the pepperonis. See how they curl like that? That's how you know they're good. Yeah. This is the pizza that I wanted for today. That's good. I don't know if it's actually good or I'm just really hungry. So I'm gonna finish this pizza, edit this vlog that you're watching now, then on to tomorrow. Last day, day 4. Super excited to see one of me and Marissa's favorite bands of all time, Killswitch Engage. We've seen them multiple times not at home, and it's never been as good as at home because they're a Massachusetts band. So anytime they're playing and it's at home, you know it because you can feel it in the atmosphere and the crowd and everything. So that's gonna be good. But there's a ton of other bands I can't even remember at this point. I'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you know when I post that video. Until tomorrow.